Welcome to the Mint Report, a wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. RBI's annual report says government needs to act to revive growth. Finance Ministry tells banks to ease conditions on some education loans. And India's monsoons pick up pace once again. First up, the Reserve Bank has once again put the onus for the economic revival on the government. In its annual report on Thursday, it said cutting interest rates would not be enough to spur growth. Instead, RBI said the economy was not likely to turn around because of what it called a policy stasis. The Reserve Bank also said that with few signs of global recovery, India would have to change its policies to attract investment and boost demand. But it added that there was limited fiscal and monetary space to directly spur growth. RBI recommended the government scale back subsidies and increase capital expenditure. There's one bright spot for the economy. India's monsoon recovered for a second week in a row in the period to the 22nd of August. The Met Department said they were just 2% below the normal average during the week. Moving on, the Finance Ministry is pushing banks to ease their rules for some education loans. It has told lenders to rewrite the conditions for so-called management quota students. The Finance Ministry has told banks not to set margins for themselves from these loans. Finally, it is moving a cabinet note to create a fund against potential defaults of education loan. Still, it's not clear the government will actually make provision for such a fund. Institutions usually reserve a handful of seats that can be given to students based on a management decision. Students admitted this way are called management quota students. Indian markets ended Thursday's trade with little or no change after making some early gains. The Sensex nudged up 3 points to 17,850 and the Nifty gained 2 to 5,415. Markets were dragged back on Thursday after a plunge in shares of Reliance Industries. They fell 1.68% on the BSE to 794 over investor worries about its refining margins. And another heavyweight, Tata Motors, fell about 1.1% to 245 rupees and 20 paise. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.